In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and run a daily or weekly team huddle using a dedicated project. The first thing you'll want to do is create a dedicated project specifically for your team huddles. Naming it something clear like daily or weekly team huddle makes it easy for everyone to recognize its purpose right away. This project becomes the central place where your team can prepare for meetings, track discussion points, and follow up on next steps. Keeping everything in one shared space helps reduce confusion and makes your meetings much more organized over time. Once the project is created, add 3 sections to structure the conversation. The first section should be agendas and announcements. This is where you can place important topics the team needs to discuss, along with any updates or reminders that should be shared during the meeting. The second section should be in progress and blockers. This area is useful for capturing what people are currently working on, as well as anything slowing them down or preventing progress. The third section should be action items. This is where follow-up tasks can live, so everyone leaves the meeting with clear ownership and next steps. Before the meeting takes place, make it a team expectation that each member adds their update tasks to the project. This preparation step is important because it allows the meeting to focus on reviewing real work instead of asking everyone to come up with updates on the spot. It also gives visibility into the team's current priorities before the conversation even begins. Encourage people to add enough detail so others can quickly understand the status of their work, especially if there are blockers or areas where support is needed. During the meeting itself, share your screen and walk through the items directly from the project. This creates a single source of truth for the discussion and helps everyone stay aligned. As you move through each section, review updates, discuss blockers, and make sure announcements are clearly communicated. When new follow-up work comes up, assign new action items right there in real time.